Muscle cars are going electric, but the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona isn't going quietly. In fact, it's redefining what electric performance sounds and feels like. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're diving into the car that's bringing attitude, innovation, and serious power to the EV world. Let's get into it. Design. The first thing you notice? It still looks like a Charger. Wide, aggressive, and unmistakably American muscle. But this time, it's cleaner and sharper, with aerodynamic tweaks and a fresh modern edge. The Daytona gets a unique front R-wing, a functional air pass-through that improves airflow while keeping that iconic front-end presence. Dodge nailed the balance between heritage and evolution. Performance. Don't let the lack of engine noise fool you, this thing moves. Depending on the trim, you're getting up to 800-plus horsepower from Dodge's new Banshee electric powertrain. That means instant torque, neck-snapping acceleration, and yes, a surprisingly convincing synthetic exhaust note thanks to the Fretsonic chambered exhaust. It's loud, aggressive, and makes this EV feel alive. Dodge didn't just replace the V8, they reimagined it. Features and technology. Inside, the 2026 Daytona feels like a cockpit. A massive digital display, performance gauges, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused layout keep the vibe sporty and premium. There's also drive mode customization, paddle Reagan braking, and OTA updates to keep the tech fresh. And yes, you can still lay down rubber in track mode. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona the future of muscle? It just might be, bold, loud, and unapologetically electric. What do you think? Is this the right move for Dodge, or are you holding out for more gas-powered thunder? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more cutting-edge car content every week. This is Next Gen Reviews, thanks for watching.